This tutorial is produced by the Mecklenburg County Clerk of Superior Court, Estates Division. While our office cannot provide legal advice, we are happy to help you navigate the estates administration process. This video will provide a step-by-step guide to completing the Waiver of Personal Representatives Bond Form, AOC-E-404. First, let's define some of the terms used in this tutorial with which you may not be familiar. Decedent, a person who has died. Personal representative, a person who has been appointed to administer an estate. This term may refer to an executor, an administrator, or an administrator CTA. Heir, a person who is able to inherit from a decedent's estate when no will has been probated. Devisee, a person who can inherit from the decedent's estate because the decedent named the person in a will. What is the purpose of this form? A bond is required from a personal representative unless an exception made in the North Carolina General Statutes can be applied. One such exception is the Waiver of Personal Representatives Bond Form. The form can be used only when the personal representative is a North Carolina resident, when all of the decedent's heirs or devisees are over the age of 18 and are mentally competent, and when all of these heirs or devisees agree to sign a written waiver which relieves the personal representative of the requirement to provide a bond. This form cannot be used if the decedent's will requires that the personal representative provide a bond. How to complete the Waiver of Personal Representatives Bond Form. Enter the name of the county. Enter the decedent's name. Enter the personal representative's name. The heir or devisee must affirm that he or she is over the age of 18 and agrees to waive the required bond for the personal representative. The heir or devisee is also confirming that he or she understands that there will not be a bond to protect the value of the estate's assets if the estate is not administered properly. After affirming the above statements, the heir or devisee must print the date and his or her name on the form. The signature portion must be left blank until the signature is witnessed by a person who is authorized to administer oaths. Up to 4 individuals may use the same form. When the form has been completed, it may be returned to the personal representative so that it may be submitted with the rest of the personal representative's paperwork. If the personal representative's other paperwork has already been submitted to the clerk's office, then the form may be either brought to the Mecklenburg County Courthouse and dropped off, or it may be mailed to the following address: Clerk of Superior Court, Estates Division, P.O. Box 37971, Charlotte, North Carolina 28237. I hope this information has been helpful. We look forward to assisting you.